Think you're a science and nature genius? Only 1 in 10 can ace this 5-question medium-level quiz. What is the chemical formula for ammonia? The answer is NH3. Along with oxygen, which element is primarily responsible for the sky appearing blue? The answer is nitrogen. Which desert is the only desert in the world where the saguaro cactus grows indigenously? The answer is the Sonoran Desert. What mineral has the lowest number on the Mohs scale? The answer is talc. What is the half-life of uranium 235? The answer is 703,800,000 years. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, like and subscribe for more quizzes.